It's Dave Moerman here, and I'm your home service business coach. Today's video are the 2 ways to grow your window cleaning business. So for me, we're now 4 years into our journey of growing my home service company, and we're doing now approximately $70,000 per month in top line revenue. We run 10 months of the year round. So we've been able to build a small team to assist me in running the day-to-day operation of the business. So I've got some experience under my belt and want to be able to train and give back to you as you get your window cleaning business up and going, or maybe you just find yourself stuck. The last few years you've been completely stuck. Revenues have flatlined, you're doing the same thing every day, and you're not feeling that entrepreneurial momentum moving the business forward, moving the ball down the field. So I've come up with 2 very practical ways to grow your window washing business based on my experience. So enough with the introduction. Number 1 way to grow your window washing business is to put a strong focus on marketing. So it's my goal that you can shift your mindset away from a technician mindset and into thinking like a CEO. The E-Myth, Michael Gerber's E-Myth talks about us being able to work on our business rather than in it. And that's exactly what I'm getting at. A CEO will work on a high level, looking in an airplane down on their business and seeing what it looks like, planning out the strategy, seeing the broken systems. Where the technician, you can't really, you're stuck seeing the trees, you can't see the whole forest. So it's just about a bigger mindset and seeing what's possible for where your company could go. So a CEO, if you're the CEO of your window cleaning company, which you are, you want to have a strong focus on marketing. And so you want to be testing out marketing methods that will work to be able to get your phone to ring so you can generate more business for your company. And this is the problem where a lot of window washers get stuck. They have a very technical mindset. You could talk to me for 45 minutes about what squeegee you use, but could you talk to me for 45 minutes about the marketing methods that you do to make the phone ring? When you run a window washing business, you're really running, a customer service business that happens to wash windows, not the other way around. And a lot of people get stuck because they're so focused on the technical task, and they actually are not focused on the systems, the marketing procedures that can help run and help grow the business. So, word of mouth is a good form of marketing, no doubt, but that can only really take you so far. A lot of people get stuck just on word of mouth because they keep servicing the same customers every year and they have no capacity to be able to grow their company. So what I teach in my training is how to get a solid ROI, return on investment, for your ad spend, for your marketing. There's a lot of marketing you can do for free, and there's some also paid marketing that you can do as well. But that's the number 1 way to grow your window washing business. We need to adjust your mindset out of that technician mindset and put on that marketing hat, and you got to dive deep and see which marketing channels will work for your business. If I look at my company, how did we get to $70,000 a month and we're still pushing growth with that? It's a strong focus, staying in our lane, focusing on marketing. How can we get more customers in the door, service them well, and go get more customers? It's just really building a snowball. So that's the number 1 way. Let's put a focus on marketing, put on your CEO hat, take off your technician hat for the time being. Let's focus on building the business, working on the business, rather than spending all our time in it. And a quick point with that, it's not an overnight shift where, I'm not going on any job sites evermore. I'm completely done. I'm the CEO. That's not how it works. You got to do this gradual. It could take a couple years to get there. For me, when I started on the truck, it was just pulling myself off 1 day a week, and then 2 days, and then 3 days. And now I have crews in place that can do the day-to-day production of our business, and I can focus on growing the company. Everything's kind of 80-20. You're never going to be fully, completely out of technician mode. And that's a good thing because you always want to kind of be in touch with different areas of your business. So that's number 1. Number 2 way, we got to find a way to get yourself off the truck. That goes along with having that technician mindset. So again, lots of window washers, they'll get stuck on the truck servicing the same clients year after year. We gotta be able to pull you off the truck, and the only way to do that is we need to start with first getting an assistant on with you, working with you and training them up. making them a crew leader, and then you become their assistant, and then you replace them with an assistant, and then suddenly you're back. You have a 2-person crew that can operate the day-to-day of the business with producing the routes, and then suddenly you're into stage 2. You're in the office, you know, you're taking calls, you're going out doing quotes, you're processing payroll, you're doing these things that are more running the business. So we've got different, you know, checkpoints as we grow our business, but those are the first 2 biggest ones that I teach in my training. Let's put on our CEO hat, get out of the technician mindset, really focus on marketing. And then secondly, we want to be able to get you off the truck and get an assistant in with you. And again, lots of people, there's no good people that want to work. I've tried an assistant, it didn't work. You're going to have to go through a few people. You know, I've hired over 100 people in my home service companies, and it's a really good A player rock star that you're looking for, that, you know, 1 person in 10, if that. So don't be discouraged if you're going through people, it's not working. That's what develops grit as an entrepreneur, is being able to hire people, train them, bring them on. At some point, you'll need to create a training procedure as well, but while you're small, just getting started up, you want to be documenting these processes that you're doing, so that if you do turn over a staff member, it's not as detrimental to your business. You have a training procedure, you can bring somebody else in and train them up. So those are my top 2 ways to grow your window cleaning business. If you would like to learn more, I've got all my systems documented in my home service business coaching course that you can go in, work at your own pace, go through all my modules to grow your window washing business. I also offer one-on-one coaching, so if that's of interest, I've got my email address down below here in the comments. Feel free to just connect with me. I'd be happy to help you. It's really a strong passion of mine to get people unstuck and into growing their business so that you can live the life you want to. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope there was some value here, and we'll talk to you on the next video.